How to enable Siri on your iPhone running iOS 15. Well, that's exactly what I'm going to show you in this video. But before that, make sure you subscribe to the channel. It helps out a lot. And with that being said, let me show you how it's done. So all you have to do is go into settings, and in settings you can scroll down and search for Siri and search. Yes, that's it. Once you click on Siri and search, you can see there are a bunch of options like listen for Hey Siri, press side button for Siri. You can enable any one of them. Let's say I enable the press side button option, and once I do this, Siri will now be activated once I press the side button, and so now Siri is enabled on my device. You can even toggle whether you want Siri to speak in Indian accents or American or Australian accents. You can do it by customizing the Siri search voice. Yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, make sure you subscribe to the channel, like the video, and also comment down below on what next videos we should make. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.